Hey guys, this is Kellen from FileInfo.com, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways to take a screenshot in macOS. The first way takes a screenshot of your entire screen. To do this, type Command-Shift-3 to save a screenshot of your entire screen as a PNG file on your desktop. But before it saves the file, a thumbnail of your screenshot appears in the lower right corner. This feature was introduced in macOS Mojave. If you click the thumbnail, you can mark up, share, or save your screenshot. When you click Done, the screenshot will be saved as a PNG file on your desktop. If you want to paste your screenshot into an email or document, you can hold Control with a keyboard shortcut to copy to the clipboard instead of saving it as a file. Then, you can paste it into your document. The second option takes a screenshot of a selected area. To do this, type Command-Shift-4, drag the cursor over the area you want to capture, and let go of the mouse to save the screenshot. Or you can type Command-Shift-4 followed by the space bar, and the cursor turns into a camera, allowing you to select a specific window. macOS saves screenshots of windows with the drop shadow by default. If you don't want a drop shadow included, hold Option when you click the window. The third option for taking screenshots is a screenshot toolbar, which was introduced in macOS Mojave. To access the toolbar, type Command-Shift-5. This shortcut provides 3 screenshot options and allows you to create a video recording of your entire screen or a selected area. With this shortcut option, you can also choose where to save the PNG screenshot or MOV video recording. When you're finished with your video recording, click the Stop Recording icon in the menu bar. The fourth way takes a screenshot of the MacBook Pro Touch Bar. To do this, type Command-Shift-6 to capture a screenshot of the entire touch bar as a PNG file on the desktop. And finally, if you don't like using keyboard shortcuts, you can also take a screenshot using the Preview app bundled with macOS. With the app open, select File, Take Screenshot, and choose one of the 3 options. After taking the screenshot, the image will appear in Preview and allow you to save the screenshot in a format other than PNG, such as HEIC, JPEG, or PDF. And that's it. Now you know 5 ways to create screenshots in macOS.